again and welcome back for a super cool Minecraft activity. This one is actually one of my favorites, and today we'll be making some Minecraft plushes or pillows using some fabric or felt, needle and thread, and some stuffing. You'll also need scissors and hot glue if you prefer to glue the face on. And if you have a stapler, you can also have it close by. It makes it easier. So here's a special note. Always be very careful when working with needles and always ask for permission to use them or for help when you need it. You know, this can also be done with fabric glue or with a stapler in case you wanted to go that route. It's a lot safer and easier. Okay, so let's get started. First, you want to choose your character and get the right color felt or fabric out. Then, to make sure we have a perfect cube, we're going to cut out a square using some cardboard, and then we're going to use it to cut out 6 squares of that size on our felt or fabric, just like this. Okay, once you have all the 6 squares and you have that done, then you can place them all like this so that you can start sewing, gluing, or stapling from the inside, just like this. All right, so please remember that you don't want your seam to show, so do everything on the inside, and then when it's finished, you can fold it out and invert the whole thing, kind of like this. And don't forget to leave a little hole in the back or on top so that we can put all the stuffing into the cube. So let's do that real quick. Let's use that little hole and put all the stuffing that we have into the cube, and then let's seal it just like this, and it should be good to go. There it is, guys, your very own Minecraft plush or pillow. If you want to sleep on it, it's up to you. So thanks again for watching. I really hope you had fun with this video. Do me a favor and like this video, and please subscribe to our channel so that we can keep making these quick, fun activities for you guys. Until next time, my friends, stay safe, stay active, and always stay inspired. I will see you soon. Have a great day.